So the next one that we have here is availability. Availability is a property in which information is accessible and modifiable in a timely fashion by those authorized to do so. Okay, so it is the guarantee of reliable and constant access to our sensitive data by authorized people. So the tool of availability that we have here is physical protections. So what is physical protections? Physical safeguard means to keep information available even in the event of physical challenges. It ensures sensitive information and critical information technology are housed in a secure areas. So the next one that we have here is computational redundancies. It is applied as fault tolerant against accidental faults. It protects computers and storage devices that serves as fallback in case of failure. So these are the two tools that we have inside availability. So this is all about CIA traits. From the next lecture onwards, we are going to start new topic. So thank you for watching this lecture.